The end of smartphones? Elon Musk's shocking vision for future communication. Imagine a world where smartphones no longer exist. No screens, no buttons, just pure, seamless communication between your brain and technology. It sounds like science fiction, but according to Elon Musk, this future might arrive sooner than we think. With advances in Neuralink, wearables, and augmented reality, the traditional smartphone may soon become obsolete. But how will this transformation happen? And what does it mean for the way we communicate? Today, we'll explore Elon Musk's shocking vision for the future of communication and why the smartphone era might be coming to an end. For over a decade, smartphones have dominated our lives. They connect us, entertain us, and keep us informed. But recently, signs of their decline have started appearing. Tech companies are struggling to innovate, and user experience is no longer improving at a rapid pace. Smartphones are reaching their peak. Battery life remains a major issue, as people still need to charge their phones daily. Small screens limit interaction, making them inefficient for many tasks. Most importantly, people are growing tired of screen addiction, with concerns about mental health and productivity increasing worldwide. With these limitations, the world is looking for the next big breakthrough in communication technology. This is where Elon Musk's vision comes in. He believes that the future of communication does not involve smartphones but rather direct interaction between the human brain and technology. His company, Neuralink, is developing brain-computer interfaces that could allow humans to communicate, browse the internet, and even control devices just by thinking. Imagine sending a text message or making a call without even lifting a finger. Neuralink's technology works by implanting ultra-thin electrodes in the brain, allowing signals to be transmitted directly between neurons and external devices. According to Musk, this could eventually replace traditional devices like smartphones and computers. But Neuralink isn't the only innovation pushing smartphones toward extinction. Augmented reality, AR, and AI-powered wearable devices are rapidly advancing. Companies like Meta, Apple, and Google are developing AR glasses and smart contact lenses that could project digital content directly into our vision, eliminating the need for a screen in our hands. Eye assistants are also evolving, becoming more intuitive and capable of handling tasks without requiring user interaction. Musk has hinted at a future where AI-powered virtual assistants could become part of our daily communication, replacing traditional apps and interfaces. Despite these exciting advancements, there are challenges and concerns. Would people be willing to have brain implants just to replace their smartphones? How secure would these devices be against hacking and data breaches? And will governments regulate or restrict this technology? These are questions that must be addressed before a smartphone-free future becomes reality. However, one thing is clear: the way we communicate is about to change forever. As we look ahead, it's evident that smartphones are not the final stage of human communication technology. Whether through Neuralink, AR, or AI, the future is shifting towards a more immersive, hands-free, and seamless experience. So, are we witnessing the end of smartphones? While it may not happen overnight, the groundwork is already being laid. Elon Musk's vision may seem bold, but history has shown that technological revolutions can happen faster than we expect. One thing is certain: the way we connect with the world is about to be transformed in ways we can only imagine. What do you think? Would you give up your smartphone for a brain interface device? Let us know in the comments.